Hello YouTube family. Today I just wanted to do a quick little video of me unpackaging my new acrylic I took out the packet already, but I haven't took it out like this package yet of my new colors that I have for my nails. And yes, yesterday I ended up redoing my nails and did them long, and I love the way they came out. When I was younger, y'all, I used to do nails and then I stopped, so I picked it back up to see if I could still do it, and it looked like I can. I need to keep practicing a little bit more. But yeah, let's get to this pretty stuff. Now I am kind of mad because I did not get my hand and feet that I had ordered, because I wanted to test the colors out on that. But hopefully I could test the colors out. This look like a pinkish type of color, y'all, or nude. Then we have green. We have, I want to say, a bright red. And y'all got 18 of them. Now, I am disappointed that they didn't come bigger, because when I was on Amazon, they did look a lot bigger than this. But, hey, I mean, I guess it's not bad for $12. Lime green. Yellow. Light pink. Brown. Like a blue. I want to say this baby blue. Orange or peach color. This a bright orange. A light green. Purple. Another purple. White. Blue. I see this is gonna be my favorite color, y'all. I think that's gonna come out real pretty. Another green. Black. A hot pink. So those are the colors that I got, y'all. I am about to, y'all let me move this glue. Oh, guys, what I did do, I did take a toothpick, glue a nail on it like this, so we could play around with it a little bit with some colors. And I do have my clear powder, so I can seal the color. This is my liquid. So y'all, let's get to it. Let's get to it. I'm so excited, y'all, to see what colors. Y'all got my little sweater on because it's kind of cold right here where I'm at. But I should probably take the tops off of all of them. Oh, y'all, they actually come like that. See? I guess you're supposed to like do it like this. So you can see exactly what color. Yeah, what color. So I guess I could go ahead and do that now, huh? Since I got the glue open.
Can I say hi?
No, because you got your robe on. Yeah, that's my son. He want to say hi, but he can't because he have his robe on. So,
Oh, sorry.
yeah, I think I'm only going to mess with like 4 colors. So that's 2 colors. We're going to do this color. And we're going to put some green up in there. Y'all, now I wish I would have waited to do my nails yesterday because I so thirsty. But my powder was supposed to come into tomorrow or sometime next week. It actually came early. So, okay, so I got my four colors. I'm going to get my plate with my little. Y'all, that one is moving like it ain't nothing. But we gonna do what it do. I'm with my brush to get it loose. And we gonna start with this purple. Y'all probably can't see, but this purple kind of cute though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I don't know if I like this or not. Yeah, cause it dry dumb stupid quick. Yeah, this dry dumb stupid quick. Yes. So now I'm about to, that was the green, I'm about to put some black on it. Okay, can you take that? Did I ask for that? Huh? Okay, take it. Yeah. Yeah, this black is something I would have to use by itself. And I'm gonna show y'all why. This side came out, so this black is how I would have to use by itself. But I am gonna put like a little bit of more purple right here. Yeah. Yeah, this black ain't playing with me. It ain't playing with me at all. But this side came out. I don't think I like that. But anyway, hold on, y'all. I have made me a drink. But yeah, anyway, let me put some clear on it. I actually should take the polish off one of my nails, y'all, and mess with it like that, cause I could always, always. Oh yeah, I don't think I like this acrylic. Well, mainly so far the black acrylic. Cause I'm putting this clear on it and the black acrylic is trying to move. And it is not what I'm asking for. It's like doing the most. Yeah. I'm not gonna be messing with that black unless I'm doing like a nail by itself. Y'all, I got my window open and it's a ladybug outside my window and it looked like it was inside, but it's not. Okay, so this how it turned out. Y'all see what I'm talking about? I don't like the black. Unless I'm just doing an all black nail. Other than that, this gonna be a no-go for me. Like, if I was doing like some type of Halloween type of thing, then yeah. Maybe go for the black, but other than that, no. No, 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 no. But what I am about to do, I'm about to put each color on this so y'all can see. This the red color. That's red. That what that look like? No, this not red. This pink. I'm sorry, y'all. That's pink. Put the top back on this. As I do it so I can keep up with. That was this color, y'all. Do I have to do black? But I'm gonna do black. This is what the black look like. I probably should have just did this from the beginning, y'all. Just the dark green. Y'all probably really. Let me do that one over, y'all. That's supposed to be dark green. Yeah, purple. See, now what I don't like about this, y'all see how I dip that in there? And that's what it do. Oh, snaps. Now, I do not like that. I don't like that whatsoever. Whatsoever. But y'all, let me show y'all the purple again. But that's how it came out. I ain't spit that much. I need a little bit. But yeah, I don't like that. So I will not be getting. I don't even know who this by. But I'm gonna go look it up and then leave it down in my description. But I will not be getting from that company again. No. Y'all, here in Cleveland, it's raining. And I'm mad because every time I get my freaking grass cut, it get to raining. And my grass get to growing back so freaking quick. Yo, I didn't want this to be a long video, but I'm gonna stop at 30. I don't want this video to be like dumb, stupid, long. Why?
Because you keep going,
Okay. And I don't drink no more juice, drink water, you understand me?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so let's get to this because my 30 almost up and I'm not going over 30, y'all. I'm not. So we don't get to all the colors. Well, this white. I don't even know if I should have did white. Oh, y'all, but this white came out cute. Let me do it again. Oh yeah, y'all. This white came out cute. Y'all see it? Probably not because this thing is already like white. But that white came out cute. I can't wait to do an ombre with that. Yeah, I want to see this blue right quick. Because my liquid is running out. Yeah, I'm going to do one more color. To this green. Okay, so my liquid is out, y'all. I ain't doing no more colors. But y'all see that green, that pink, and blue? Like, I really love that blue. So, yes, y'all. This is some of the colors. Oh, my head with this right there. So I'm going to stop the video right there. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching this video. And I appreciate it. But yes, y'all, I will leave the name of it down in the description box. And this product really ain't have no name like Mrs. What is that called? Maya Secret. I really like using that brand. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back and order different color acrylic and Maya Secret. And yeah, because this brand, I don't know. I'm gonna just use this acrylic to like play around with some stuff to see how stuff turn out. But for me to be actually doing my nails or like my cousin nails or something like that, or my friend's nails, I won't be using this. But I'm gonna just use this acrylic for my mannequin hands. When they come, just so I can fool around with it a little bit. But thank y'all for watching this video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And drop y'all comments down below. Let everybody know what your girl is doing. And thank you for tuning in to watching this little old video with this acrylic. And I promise y'all I'm gonna get some better acrylic. And when I'm gonna get my secret acrylic, colorful acrylic. And when my hands come, then I'm gonna show y'all the acrylics on my mannequin hands. And what else I about to say? Yes, because my hands should be here today, so maybe I'm gonna go online today and order some other type of acrylic from a different company or brand or something. But I will be doing it through Amazon, and then I'm gonna come back probably next week because I'm gonna do like a 1 to 2 day delivery type of thing, so I can come back like on Tuesday and show y'all the acrylic and mess around with it. So thank you for watching this video. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to stay safe and blessed and wash your hands and stay social distant. Just because they opening up things don't mean y'all go haywire. So with that being said, I love y'all so much.